My name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 26 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and today I am going to share with you my favorite day. So my favorite day is Sunday. Uh, may I know what is the your favorite day? My favorite day is Sunday because of there is no work for me to do on Sunday, and on Sunday I woke up at more late because there is no hurry on Sunday. And after that, I watch movies, taking breakfast, and all that. And today is like on Sunday, I spend time with mostly with my family, and I sometimes I go for walking, and I will do my pending works if any pending works are left, and I go for walk with my friends. Sometimes play the games and like watching movies with family and all that. So that's it for today. See you guys in next day. Thank you.